Boom! Money in the bank! Let's keep going! Hi everyone, Leia here, and I've been trading for over 6 years, making over $4,000 a week. And today I want to talk about something most of you are familiar with. According to statistics, about 80% of people lose money in trading. They lose their hard-earned cash, get discouraged, and never come back to investing again. But the good news is, there is a reliable way to secure a comfortable life with trading. I'm talking about a special strategy I've been using for 6 years. Stick around till the end and you'll understand how it works. Also, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I share tips and insights you won't hear anywhere else. You'll find the link below this video or just scan the QR code. Okay, let's go! First off, let's switch from a line chart to candlesticks. Now we'll set expire time to 60 seconds, each trade is $10, and the candle timeline is set to 30 seconds. Let's pick a couple of indicators. We'll go with the Stochastic Accelerator and Supertrend. Finally, we will select a few currency pairs to trade with. This will ease our trading. Now let's get to work! Alright, we've opened a trade right at the low boundary on the stochastic. The expectation here is that the price will rise. Let's see how this plays out. And the price is starting to dance around the entry point. Come on, make a decision already. I'm not too worried since it's only $10 trade, but we really don't want to lose this one. Yes, right at the last second. Whew. The first trade is win. Let's keep going, guys. You saw the title of this video, right? Do you think I'll be able to reach 1,600 in one session? Let me know in the comments what you think. But for now, let's keep going. We are opening a trade to go down. Wait, actually, let's open two at once. I'll explain what's happening on the chart. Here's our sell zone. The indicator is showing that we are in the 80 range. It makes sense that the price will bounce down from here. Now let's watch it unfold. Everything looks perfect so far. I'm confident we are going to make money on this one too. Hell yeah! We made a profit! And it's time to move on. We are opening another trade here. We've just reached the sell zone again, and the Stochastic Accelerator is still in the 18 range. Logically, the price should reverse and we will make a profit. It's looking a bit uncertain for now. Oh wait, here it goes. The price is dropping quite nicely. Yeah. Yes! As you can see, this strategy works. We are up to $70, starting with just $10. Let's keep going. Alright, let's open another trade here. You can clearly see that in the oversold zone. That means the price should jump and we'll make another profit. And let's watch and see. So far, so good. Where are you going? Oh, never mind, it's all good. Fantastic, this trade closed in profit. And now we're up to $135. Will I win this next trade? Stick around to find out. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot for me. Alright, let's see how the next trade turns out. Alright, we are opening another sell trade. We can see we are in the oversold zone and the overall movement is clear. Things aren't looking great at the moment, the price is behaving unpredictably. But let's stay calm, it should drop soon. Where we go? Yes, fall! Keep falling! Boom! Money in the bank! Let's keep going! Did you know I have a special Telegram channel where I share free tips, analyze trades, and offer valuable trading insights? Check the link in the description or scan the QR code. We are opening a trade to go up and another one, just to be sure. What do we see on the chart? We see that the stochastic is at the very bottom. We see that the price has bounced up from Supertrend, taking both of these into account. We open the trade and wait for the result. Okay, the first trade is in the green. And the second one is too. Perfect! Perfect, guys, let's keep going. I'm opening a trade to go up